Hey everyone, if you've been using the free version of TradingView, you've probably hit a wall. You need more indicators, more alerts, or just a better experience. The good news is, upgrading is a breeze, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need to be logged into your TradingView account. Once you're on the platform, look for the Upgrade or Pricing button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page or in your user profile menu. Clicking this will take you to the Plans and Pricing page. Here, you'll see a breakdown of the different subscription tiers. TradingView offers several plans, like Essential, Plus, and Premium, along with professional plans. Take a moment to compare the features of each. Do you need more indicators on your chart? More server-side alerts? More saved chart layouts? Look at what each plan offers and decide which one best suits your trading style and needs. You can choose to pay monthly or annually. Paying annually often comes with a significant discount, so that's something to consider. Once you've chosen your plan, click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button. This will lead you to the payment page. TradingView is great because it offers a variety of payment methods. You can pay with a standard credit or debit card, a PayPal account, or even Google Pay or Apple Pay. In some regions, they also support local payment options. If you're using a credit or debit card, you'll just need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure all the information is correct to avoid any payment issues. If you're using PayPal, you'll be redirected to your PayPal account to complete the transaction securely. The same goes for Google Pay or Apple Pay. After you've entered your payment details and confirmed the purchase, your account will be upgraded instantly. You'll receive an email confirmation, and when you refresh your TradingView platform, you'll see all the new features unlocked and ready to use. It's that simple. If you ever need to change your payment method or update your subscription, you can do so in your account settings under the Billing or Subscriptions tab. So, choose your plan, select your payment method, enter your details, and you're good to go. You've now unlocked a whole new level of charting tools and features to take your analysis to the next level.